Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to answer some of your questions again from this morning's video. So let's head over there right now. Let's look at that video real quick. There is, first of all, there is a lot of happy people in the comment section below. Congratulations to all of you who were able to collect the bag on Roku. Like, seriously, congratulations. Some people turned $34 into $500. Another one made $1,000 on Roku, and so far, look, everybody's happy. That's good. I'm glad all of you had fun. I'm glad all of you made bank. So now let's get down to business. The very first stock that I want to address is where is it at? Where is it at? There it is. This one right here. DELL. So let's talk about DELL real quick. DELL. Okay, and this right here is DELL on the daily time frame. And so far, the way I'm looking at it right now, and the way I'm looking at the SPY as well, first of all, the futures market is green. It's up by 42%. So when I look at that stock right now, if it follows the SPY, just like every other stock has done throughout the past few days, I will not be surprised to see the stock running up even higher. And then when you look at the chart, especially on the 5-minute time frame, and you zoom in right here, you can see that there is a kind of a bullish wedge, or a bullish triangle, or a bullish pennant, whatever you want to call it. It looks really bullish. Personally, as a short seller, I wouldn't buy puts on this. Like, I really wouldn't. This is bullish to me. So I would not be surprised to see the stock open up slightly higher at around 283 before running up towards the 300s. Could it go even higher, as in like break the previous high right here? Maybe. There's a strong possibility that it could. Again, keep in mind that there are short sellers in here. There are very, very, very greedy, bearish short sellers who got in here because they have absolutely zero confidence in this company at all, who were hoping for the stock to drop all the way down to like $80. And the stock is going the other way. Again, these people have stop losses. Like, as the stock creeps up, stop losses are just gonna keep triggering and triggering and triggering. And then if it break that high at like 310, it could go up even higher. So again, these are my thoughts for DELL. Unless the stock doesn't perform and starts going sideways, and then starts rolling over, then I will be bearish on the stock. But as of right now, the stock looks fine to me. I'm not bearish on it, not yet, at least. So that is my thought on DELL. The next one is RKT. RKT. Okay, I see. So RKT looks like BIGC, which I've talked about before. BIGC. Both stocks got annihilated. Like in September, the beginning of September, both stocks got crushed. And so far, it looks like there's some buyers stepping in right here. Okay. And when you see this chart right here, the one thing that I personally see, and I have taught you guys this before, for those of you who've been subscribing for a long time, is when you look at the combination of these these 5 candles, this is a rising 3 method. Okay. This is a rising 3 method, and it's usually bullish. And if you don't know what a rising 3 method is, if you go on Google and you type rising 3 method pattern, you will see this thing. There it is. It's right there. The very first thing you see is that. And if you look at images, you can see that here is a perfect example right here. Not the most realistic, but it is an example. Here's another one right here. Another one right here, which kind of looks like a graph. Again, this is a bullish candlestick pattern. So you definitely want to keep your eyes on RKT for a pop above $23.50. If it goes above that level, then these short sellers will get scared, they will panic. Short sellers from here will get scared, they will panic from $26. And the stock may even run all the way up to 30. Maybe not this week, maybe not next week, but then again, there's a giant gap right here. So just keep that in mind as you're thinking about trading RKT. So I'm not bearish on it at all. I can see the buyer stepping in. It's pretty obvious. So again, keep that one on your watch list, and I hope that answers that person's question. And once again, if you got value from the video, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. Let's move on to the next question. GRWG. Okay, let's look at that one. GRWG. Yeah, the stock wants to squeeze shorts. It wants to go higher. It's pretty obvious. I can look at it right now and tell you that it wants to go higher. On here, I see a reverse head and shoulders on the daily chart. It's right here. The reverse head and shoulders is right here. And the higher it goes, the more these people get scared and they start covering. I did short this stock, and I did make a video about this. I think like in that time, actually, in the middle of August, I got in short right here. And then I added right there, and I covered here, and I covered here. So right now, this doesn't look like a shorting opportunity to me. It looks like short sellers are about to get annihilated very soon. So keep the stock on your watch list. Again, if that answered that person's question, there you go. Next one is MRNA. MRNA. Let's talk about MRNA real quick. Let's talk about it. MRNA. Okay, so MRNA. There you go. The stock is consolidating sideways. I'm not bearish on it at all. I'm actually kind of neutral about it until I see a sign that it wants to go higher. Like right now, when I look at it, it's not telling me too much. It's not telling me too much yet. Okay, not yet. But eventually it will. And I can't wait to see how this one is going to open tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning, I will make another video about it again at 8:15 a.m. If you don't want to miss that, definitely wake up early so you don't miss it. So, yeah, I will talk about this one pre-market tomorrow. But as of right now, this is not too obvious for me to give any recommendation at all. Like maybe there is this thing right here. Maybe there is that. Okay. And if this is so, and if this is as clean as it looks, right, then we can expect the stock to go higher and cross above this resistance first before going for new heights. Okay, before going for like $85. We just need to see this thing clear out first. All right. But that is my thought on MRNA. And I'm pretty sure there may be some news over here, which is like the last thing I look at. So there you go. If you want to read some news, they're right there. I look at the chart personally because that's my preference. And so far, this actually looks decent. I would keep a good eye on it. Yeah, I would really keep a good eye on it. And you should too, okay? You should too. Next stock that we're going to talk about is Cruise. Let's see Cruise. Let's check out what Cruise looks like. Yeah, I have no clue where this is gonna go. Like I really don't. I don't know where this is gonna go. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's overextended and it may roll over. It may go higher, but this is like it's in no man's land. For me personally, like I don't see it's not obvious for me personally. Like I can't really give you a solid recommendation on where this is gonna go. So yeah, next one. Next one is ATVI. ATVI, let's check that one out. I did do an analysis on it before and it broke out of this channel. This was a nice short. I remember that. This was a very nice short. As soon as it showed weakness on the chart and it started going downwards, that is the moment where you buy puts. But as of right now, the stock is looking, it's it's not looking good, especially for like if you're trying to go long on this is not looking the best, and it's kind of shifting direction. It's kind of trading sideways, and there's a lot of sellers in this region, and I wouldn't be surprised to see the stock tank even further down to like $70 even. But then again, anything can happen. Like you can see the stock going up here. If it opens up higher at like $78 or $79, all of these short sellers will panic. Like I promise you, they will panic because there's a lot of them just like buying out puts and grabbing shares to short. So if it opens higher, like a lot higher than they want, then you can expect a massive scare and a push to like $85. So again, that is my thought on it. We will see how it opens tomorrow morning. We will see. We will see. There's always pre-market tomorrow morning. Okay. So the next stock that we're gonna talk about is high whatever this is HYLN. HYLN. There you go. Ooh, oh my. Yeah, the stock got annihilated. I think there was something about a merger, right? Something about a merger. Again, all of these news, like I don't really pay attention to them, but so far the stock is not looking the best. I will just wait. I will just hold off on it until it becomes more obvious. There was a very good opportunity to go short, to short the stock all the way back down. And honestly, like I wouldn't be surprised to see the stock tank even further to like $24 before going sideways for a while. So that is my very honest opinion of HYLN. Like yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing go down further. I really wouldn't. And for the last talk of today, we're gonna talk about Apple. We're gonna finish strong with a very big stock, massive stock, Apple. There you go. And so far, Apple it's not looking bearish at all. Let's change this to the 30-minute time frame. And it's just hanging out in this zone right here. And if you've been subscribing to the channel, right, and you've been watching the videos, you should know what this is. I don't even have to explain this to you. The lines that I drew here, you should know what this is. This is called a flag. Okay, and this is bullish. The SPY and the future is already green. I can expect the stock to open up right above it at 116. And then if it opens up right above it, obviously there's a lot of very bearish traders right here, right? So if it open up higher, they have a bunch of stop losses up there, and they will trigger, and that stop losses trigger, the stock runs even higher. So that is my thought on Apple. Do not be surprised to see this thing run a lot higher than it is right now. Tomorrow will be interesting. I really want to see exactly where it opens at so I can talk about it more in the morning. But yeah, hopefully that answers all of your questions. Again, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you get notified when I release these videos and the pre-market videos. Also, if you're a beginner, there are step-by-step links in the description of each and every single one of my videos. If you want to get started in the stock market, to sign up with brokers, I have a link to Webull where you can get 2 free stocks after signing up. And I do have another link to Robinhood where you can get 1 free stock after signing up with the links below. Also, if you're looking to do some reading, I have a link to my favorite day trading book in the comment section below as well. Also, do not forget to follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at Paul Nguma or at PATTERNOLOGY LAB. All right, and yeah, my name is Paul with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I'm gonna see all of you tomorrow morning at 8:15. 8:15.